Alright, Rob Frazier here. So this video I want to talk about multiple income funnel bonuses and how to promote it offline. An easy way to promote the multiple income funnel offline and a couple of bonuses that I'm going to offer you. So first off, multiple income funnel, the primary high ticket affiliate marketing system that I use and promote. The third income stream of the multiple income funnel is a program called textbot. So what I do, this is how I promote the multiple income funnel offline. I take these drop cards. They have $100 bills, they have $20 bills, they have I think they have $5 and $1 bills. I use the $20 bill. A lot of people like using the $100. I just like the $20 bill. But this is what it looks like. It's like a little card like this. You get a whole bunch of them, anywhere from 100 to like 10,000. You get a whole bunch. 100, anywhere up to 100 to 10,000. You take them, you fold them in half, you drop them all over the place. They're called drop cards, drop card marketing. I tell people, hey, go to the restaurant, leave a nice tip, leave a drop card. Go to the bathroom at the restaurant, leave a drop card. Leave a drop card in the seat where you're sitting at. Walk out in the parking lot. Drop a couple there. Same thing with the little gumball machines. There's so many different things you can do with these drop cards. Grocery stores. Just put them in the aisles. Put them underneath different products in the aisle. And nobody has to see. You just go in there, you drop a few drop cards here and there, and bounce. Apartment complexes. You roll past the apartment complex, you go into the laundry room, drop a couple. You go to the gym if they have one, drop a couple. Little kids play area, the slides, the parks, different things like that. And roll out. Drop card marketing, very simple. So what happens is I use this textbot drop card, right? So if people call or text that number, they will get into my textbot system. Now, with textbot, again, that's the third income stream of the multiple income funnel. So what happens is when your leads call or text your textbot number, they'll go ask a few questions. It's all automated. The little virtual assistant, Ava, she will either text them back or she'll talk to them. They'll get information like, what's your name? Can I send you more information about making money? Blah, blah, blah. And so the people who say yes, they get exposed to, number one, textbot, and number two, your primary business opportunity. So which in my case, it's the multiple income funnel. So the people who actually find my drop cards, I do this 100% offline. They find my drop card, call or text. They'll get the information, and so the conversation is basically, what's your name, what's your email, can I send you more information about this opportunity, something along those lines. They'll say yes, they'll get a textbot promo, and then a little bit later on, they'll get your primary business opportunity link. And that's a great way to promote this whole thing, 100% offline. Very, very simple, and I do this all the time. Gas stations. There's so many different places to leave these drop cards. It's not even funny. Couple of bonuses. Multiple income funnel bonuses. So first, you join me. You get active in the 4 income streams. You can get active at the lowest level of all 4 income streams. I will send you 100 of these drop cards just to get your business going, advertising your textbot number. First bonus. Second bonus, I will send you a $100 restaurant voucher. That's good for hundreds of restaurants across the U.S. and I believe in Canada, but I think mostly in the U.S. So you have a $100 restaurant voucher to go to a restaurant with your drop cards. So I'm basically setting you up to be able to leave these drop cards all over the place. And my third bonus is a $200 hotel voucher. So, you join Multiple Income Funnel. You get active in the 4 income streams. You get 100 drop cards to promote your business. This is all offline marketing. You get a $100 restaurant voucher to go out to a restaurant, to get some food, to pass out your drop cards. You get a $200 hotel voucher. So you go to various hotels and do the same thing. In fact, on my way, when I'm out and about sometimes, if I pass a hotel and I get a few extra minutes, I'll get out, go through the lobby, go through the bathroom, leave a few drop cards, leave them in the parking lot, go to the pool, wherever, same thing in the hotel, same deal. Marry the process of marketing, marry the process of passing out the drop cards, and it yields a consistent result. So, that being said, a couple of bonuses there. Also, that's, again, 100% offline. For the folks who want to do it online, working with me, you'll get my perpetual traffic plan. Show you how to get traffic online, offline, social media, paid traffic, content marketing, my YouTube. You'll get my daily method of operation. You'll get me as your mentor. You'll get your own customized daily method of operation. Like, I will work with you until you get a solid plan that you're comfortable with doing on a daily basis. You get my money flow, my money plan. If you make $100, what do you do with your money? If you make $1,000, what do you do with your money? Set some aside for taxes, put some in a savings account, put some in more advertising, put some in your pocket. I have very specific percentages that I've used to get out of a 6-figure debt while paying all of my current bills and while keeping the lights on, if you will. So you get my money flow, my money plan, basically. And lastly, again, you get me as your mentor. I will help you make this thing work. So, that being said, Multiple Income Funnel, how to promote it offline, and a few Multiple Income Funnel bonuses to sweeten the pot for you. If you're on YouTube, you can go in the description and click the link, opt into my website. If you're watching this on a web page, scroll down and you will get more information about my different bonuses. That being said, wrapping this video up, name's Rob Frazier. We'll see you in the next one.